This video is to show how the injection wiring loom is positioned on an Opel Monza GSE with the 3-litre injection engine. This is my old car, which unfortunately is suffering badly from rust, with part of the engine removed. The injection wiring loom is separate from the main wiring loom. Most of it is in the engine bay, except for the part which goes through the bulkhead, as seen here, just behind and to the right of the brake servo as you sit in the car. I always refer to left and right as you sit in the car, so this is the right side, and you can see there's a large rubber grommet which goes through the bulkhead. It's usually easier to fit this without the brake servo in place, and that is undone with 2 nuts on the inside by the pedal box and a clevis pin on the yoke, and then it should pull out. Now, on many cars where the turret tops have moved inwards due to rust in the inner wings, as on this one, it's very difficult to remove because the turret top's in the way. But even moving it out a few inches will help get the wiring in. And obviously you can't remove the brake servo without having first removed the inlet manifold. Moving to the inside of the car, on this car the dashboard has been removed. The injection loom can be seen where that white wire is sticking out, and it goes above the hole for the main wiring loom, which I'm pointing at now. So that is the injection wiring loom on the upper hole, and it goes over the throttle pedal and is held in place with a plastic clip. There is a danger that it can drop down and obstruct the throttle pedal. That's quite important. As apart from the danger of jamming the pedal, it can also rub through the wiring. And then the wiring loom goes around the back here and then simply plugs into the ECU, the injection ECU, which is screwed onto the right hand A panel on the inside. As seen here. There is a small branch of the wiring which goes to this item here, which I'm struggling to focus on because I'm holding the phone upside down. This is the idle control ECU with the blue spot there. This is screwed above the injection ECU. On this car it's actually in the wrong place. I don't know why, but it's a pig to get out because of this vent being in the way. So on many cars it's simply left dangling loose or just shoved up out of the way somehow. There is another third small branch. These are the plugs for the idle ECU. There is another small branch just upstream of this big plug for the, which I'm focusing on now, for the injection ECU, with a small T-piece plug. That is for the trip computer. So if you've got a trip computer fitted on your Monza or Senator A, you'll find there's wires that plug into that, and that's how the trip computer knows how much fuel is being used and so on. I'll stop the video here and continue in part 2.